Hi there. I don't know whether you remember the video I did last in this series where I showed you a simple social media strategy that I learned on a course, which the guy was instructing that you should promote your Facebook posts to those who have already raised their hand up, who have already liked your page. And the fact that when you do this, it not only makes your ad cost cheaper, but it enables others to promote you because they are your evangelists. Remember, I talked about that in this video that this thumbnail belongs to. So I went ahead and did a posts ad, and I just wanted to show you the results very quickly. So let me go to my Facebook page. Yeah, this is my Facebook page, and this is the results that I got from the ad that I did on this particular, if you can see where my mouse is hovering on this particular post. And I paid only 0.01 cents for each of the post engagements or reach. So I've spent $2.54. I've reached 564 people. I've had 244 engagements. This is very unlike this one where it cost me 0.67, nearly 67 cents per connection. Perhaps one might say it's because you asked people to click on the link, or maybe it's the territory. But it still proves the point that if you promote the post to people who have already signed up or liked your page, you are going to get better engagement and you are going to get a less cost per engagement. So the strategy does work. That's what I want to let you know. The strategy works, and I'm going to continue to do that. I'm not saying that I would not promote to those who have not yet signed up to my page or who have not yet liked my Facebook page. Yes, I will, but I'm going to make it a point of duty to spend some of my ad revenue on people who have already signed up or liked my page. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, then do like it. If you like it, do share it. If you like it, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a great day.